Good morning, y'all. Welcome to today's video. I am home, and I tell you, it is good to be home. I love traveling the world, but I gotta tell you, it's always good to come home, and I get very few days. So I'm home for 2 days, then I'm off to Florida for the Forgotten Angels camp out with Shade Tree Surgeon, doing a bunch of good for charity out there. Then from there, I go to San Diego. I ride down the Baja all the way to Cabo. From Cabo, I fly into Phoenix. I do 2 days of Arizona Bike Week with my friends, the Law Tigers, and Paul Yaffe, and a bunch of cool people out there. And then I'm gonna do my first motorcycle destinations campaign in New Mexico. We're gonna find the 3 coolest spots I can find in all of New Mexico and share them with you. If you think you know a cool spot I should be visiting, please don't leave the comment down below. That's what I'd normally ask you to do. You should go to motorcycledestinations.com and put that in as a listing so not only I can find it, but other people can find it too. So I'm gonna be doing trips around the country, finding the raddest motorcycle destinations state by state. And it'll all live on this website that you all can look up and find cool stuff around you as well. Go check it out. I've been working hard on it. The whole team's been working hard on it. Man, it was Ashley's birthday, so we did her and our son, our son, however you wanna say it. We did a road trip down Route 66 out to Arizona, spent a couple days camping in the desert, riding dirt bikes and four-wheelers, and just being around each other and spending some quality family time. It was absolutely amazing. Even got to see a ghost tour at the Goldfield mining town. It was neat. We had a lot of fun. But now I'm back at the camp. I got 2 days. We got to move one of my cabins and get a bunch of other stuff done and get caught up, even just getting caught up on my mail. When I'm gone this often, over the next couple months, I'm looking at maybe, I think maybe 5 days home total over the next couple months. I think the next time I'm home is going to be for the Fast Life camp out that's happening here May 5th through 8th. So it's just crazy, man. And that's just what I would never miss. If you don't know Jace or follow his podcast, if you're into the Dyna scene or any of that stuff, go check him out. He is one heck of a crazy good painter. He's got a pretty interesting podcast too, as long as your feelings aren't too easily hurt. He tells it like it is, and that's one of the things I love most about Jace. So, home for a couple days, gonna work on some projects around here with my crew, and then we are back to the road, Florida, to my boy Shade Tree Surgeon. Let's get down here to camp, see how things are looking. The goal today is gonna be to get this cabin right here moved and put into its location. We will see how that works. We're gonna use our Kubota. You can see it bright orange over there, baby. Kubota orange. That's gonna be our muscle for this project. What's up, little man? We got the pigs. What's going on, guys? Grass is coming in green. Winter is over, my friends. What's up there, Johnny Ringo? Long time no see, buddy. Oh, good to see you. Good to see you, Johnny. Oh, we gotta get you brushed out. You got some dirt on you there, buddy, huh? Yeah, you've been rolling, trying to shake that fur. It's time for him to start shedding that winter coat. Ah, there she is. The big girl. Big booty Judy. Look at her. The truth is, I'm traveling all over the country, but when I come home and I just get to spend time sitting in that seat, working this here land, I tell you, it just makes me happy, man. Kathy, I can't film you? Oh, Kathy says no camera for you guys today. Can I just have a hug?
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Good to see you.
Good to see you. Glad you're back.
Good to be home for 2 days, but home nonetheless. Day and a half. The boys are over here getting some poles ready for our pavilion. So this is all firewood.
We tried Debbie Weld and it didn't hold.
No, that ain't gonna work, buddy.
That ain't gonna work.
No.
No good.
You got no pressure.
Not a lot.
Not enough.
Not enough.
No.
Probably worked twice as good as
Yeah, I got one of those over in my shop. That'll totally make this much faster for you, Chucky.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Go grab it.
All right.
Because that joker needs a part. me home, baby.
Fire here. Firewood.
Firewood. Oh, this is the problem. Sometimes you get these cedar trees and the inside will be rotten like that.
Trying to get skinned or debarked.
Your stash is coming in nice.
Yeah.
Good job, buddy.
Thank you. Thank you.
Whew. So this is gonna be one of the poles for the pavilion?
Yeah, I think so. This one came off of. Dug this one out a little bit.
Nice. And you're peeling it with that? What's up, Ashley?
Yeah.
Show them how you're doing it. How many of these have you done already, Ashley?
Oh, this is the first one I'm doing.
First one you're doing? How many do we have done, Matt?
3.
3 done.
3. We didn't do the whole thing. We did 10 foot of them.
3 of them done 10 foot.
Yeah.
Right, so we can use them as posts.
Right.
Step number 1, we're gonna quick detach this backhoe. We're gonna put the box blade on the back because, well, it's just better for hauling. You'll see what we're talking about. That working better, Chucky?
Yeah.
Is it better?
Yeah, it's a lot better.
All right. We'll hook her up to that. Bad boy right there. Mr. Tom,
Hey, yes, sir.
how you doing?
I'm okay.
You think this is gonna work?
Yeah, it's going to work. It's just, you know, a little iffy.
So what we've got is we've got these big skids. What size skids are those, Matt?
6x6s.
6x6s. We've got them a 4x4 brace between them. Ran the chain through it. We're gonna bring it up here to the tractor, hook it to the box blade. We have absolutely no idea if this is gonna work. This is a first time attempt for us.
You'll find out real quick.
We will find out real quick. Okay, we've got it chained up. And I mean, this cabin, this is 20 feet long, 12 feet wide, all framed in. The interior is not completely done, but it does have cabinets in there and stuff. The Kubota M7060, it's like a, I don't know, 75 horse tractor versus cabin. Let's see what we got. All right, let's just try to get some of the heat off of it. Not trying to lift it, just try to get it up. I don't know if we got enough weight on the front of it. We'll see. Nice and easy. Oh boy, I'm a little nervous. This could completely fail. Oh, look at her go. There you go, you're up. We're actually up. We're actually up, Chucky.
Not as deep now.
Welcome to the party.
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
Hey, are those signature ASR shades you got on there?
Yes.
They look good, Chucky. Gonna get it set up here for some people to enjoy. We'll have a little road work to do when we're done for sure, but as a whole, I think it's coming. Yeah, I think we're gonna be okay, boys. But let's not count our eggs before they hatch.
Oh, no. Okay, don't count it.
And that's in my favorite seat. But a wise leader, somebody I look up to very much, told me, when you got a good crew of guys, you let your men sit in the tractor, you work the shovel. You work the ground. That's what I try to do. Very rarely will I take that tractor when Matt's here. I'll take the footwork. This is a little light on the front end. You see that front tire spinning? The question is, can we spin it into here? Okay, we gotta unchain this thing and rehook it. Digging into the berm, digging holes in the road. Can you all see that? I don't know, it's pretty dark. Digging holes in the road. Keep coming, cut hard.
Okay.
Now, the question is, can we cut this joker? Try to cut it back so it faces this way right here. We're turning it, slowly but surely. Hold it! He's just digging in the grass here. The problem we're gonna run into now is this ground's so soft. If you stop, you won't be able to move it. Yeah, let's rehook up with the chains longer. Get him over here. Disclaimer, this is not officially what this equipment's used for, but when you got a good tractor, you can do just about anything you want. See if you can spin it. Yeah. Okay, hold up. Keep it coming. That's good. Hold it. We're good. So we're gonna try to get it back about another 6, 8, 10 feet. About where Matt's at right there. Set it back, but this is kind of where it'll sit. Those windows will overlook that beautiful view there down over. I don't know if y'all can see it. The tree house and the stage. In the front of the cabin. The front of the cabin will be just about like that. So we'll build another one. We'll put it right next to it. And I think we're gonna put a third tree house up in these trees right here. So you have 1, 2, 3 cabins set up right there next to our big disabled veterans cabin. That veterans free 7 days a week for veterans if they need it. We'll have 3 nice little cabins right here. I think it's gonna be great. I think it's gonna be absolutely great. It's good to be home, man. I tell you, when you got this to come home to, even the most epic motorcycle journeys sometimes feel tiring, right? I mean, I love them. I love the experiences, but doing this is something I love too. You know, another thing I've figured out that I love is I love the motorcycle culture. I love the people. I love the events. I love the rallies. I love the unique stops and the beautiful, you know, scenic roads. But riding across I-40 or I-10 from coast to coast, man, I've done it dozens of times, and there's not a lot to show there anymore. So this year, a lot of my efforts on the road are going to be going to Motorcycle Destinations. Motorcycle Destinations is the website. It's motorcycledestinations.com. It is just a place where the public, everybody out there can go online. You can list your favorite motorcycle destinations. It's really easy to put in. It's just like Yelp, if you've ever used that. You can just say, hey, this is a motorcycle bar or motorcycle restaurant, and this is the name of it, and here's some pictures, and here's their website, and it goes onto a map. So anybody riding around the country can see these different destinations and how far they are, and the website's Google integrated, so you just push on a button and it gives you directions, and the next thing you know, you're headed off to some beautiful motorcycle destination on some amazing road trip that some other rider out there turns you on to without even talking to them. They just happen to upload it to the site. So a lot of my different experiences, a lot of my different motorcycle content this year is gonna be riding to these different destinations. So go to motorcycledestinations.com, Facebook, Instagram, all that stuff. Most importantly, go to the website and share a really rad destination that other riders can find and enjoy, and who knows, maybe it'll just make my list. This year, the first state is New Mexico. So if you got them there, put them in there. But of course, we're accepting listings from all over the country. There's already hundreds, if not 1,000 maybe, listings on there already of different rad places you should ride your bike and different people you can connect with out there when you're doing it. So I'm gonna sit here with these boys for a little bit longer, chew the cud. We'll probably move it back into place tomorrow, get it set up on some blocks. But we were all nervous about moving this cabin, and it turned out to be super simple. We just hooked it up to a tractor, put the Kubota in 4 low, lifted it up and drug it across the property to where it'll call its home. And maybe some of y'all will be staying in it for some of our future parties, like the Fast Life Garage coming up. And of course, our biggest event of the year is the Stubborn American. Although that Fast Life Garage, they're getting big. They may end up being just as big as a Stubborn American. We'll have to see. Until the next video, y'all, thank you for joining me today back home at my home, the K River Campground, right down here on the river in Moyers, Oklahoma. Just good old people having some good fun out here on the riverbank. We'll see y'all in the next video.